Hi guys, I'm Ahmedabad have just published their placement report. So we have the placement report of 2021 in hand. Fine. So let's look at how the top college in the country have performed in terms of the average salary. We are launching our G strategy program for the CAT exam and the non-CAT exam. So in case you want to join us, you can call any of the number given here and my team will be more than happy to help you out. So even you can attend the demo lecture as well. Today Friday we are keeping the demo lecture, so you can call any of the numbers here and attend the demo lecture today 6 to 7 p.m. If you look at where these people are placed, so highest number of people are placed in consulting. 159 people have placed in consulting. 2 international, total 161 placements are in consulting. Yeah. Now consulting in IIM Bangalore, which is supposed to be number 1, is around 162 165. तो इतना भी फर्क नहीं, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि if IIM Bangalore is number 1 for consulting doesn't mean IIM Ahmedabad is not good at all. IIM Ahmedabad is 2 people behind. Number 2, second highest placement was in banking sector, banking, financial service, insurance. 65.5 people have got an international placement from the banking sector. Number 3 was IT, where these people are. And number 4 is consumer good FMCG sector. 31 people have got a job in consumer goods. And hospitality, 2 people have gone abroad from hospitality as well. Only 9 people have got a job abroad. Why? Because most of the countries you cannot go abroad directly. US, UK, you cannot directly go abroad. Dubai, you can directly go abroad. Hong Kong, you can go abroad. UAE, you can go directly abroad. I mean, the company can hire you from India and directly send you abroad. But for UK, US, where the maximum number of chunk of the people are going to work, you have to first work in the India office for 6 months to 1 year. Then you can go abroad. Alright, so every country have their own rules. तो इसके लिए डेटा नहीं है यहाँ पे. इनमें से दोज हु गॉट अ प्लेसमेंट इन डोमेस्टिक लोकेशंस, मोस्ट ऑफ देम, या आई नॉर्मली से 80 students from IIM ABC average. That's my average number, which is 20% of the batch will get a international placement within 1 year. Will reach abroad within 1 year. Yeah. Otherwise, 50% of the batch will be going abroad in the first 3 years. That's my thumb rule for the main colleges, main IIMs. If you look at the other colleges, Jamal Bajaj, SP Jain, this number is 10%. Alright, so let's look at this placement report here. So we have the 2 salary heads here. One is for the domestic salary and one is for the international salary. Fine. The international number of students are very, very less. So this data can be biased because we can see here the total number of people is only for 9 people. Yeah. Maximum earning potential is $1,54,000, minimum $29,000, and median is $1 lakh. Okay. So that's your minimum. जिसको बेचारे को ये मिला होगा, just imagine यार, वो लगा गजब बेचती यार हमारे को साला. Same here for the India, 9 lakh is the minimum package. So anyone who got a 9 lakh package is the fixed component and 50,000 cash component. So 9 लाख का पैकेज, वो तो गाली दे रहा होगा ना यार कि साला 20 लाख 25 लाख फीस डालने के बाद तुमने मुझे 11 लाख का पैकेज दिया. गजब बेचती है हमारी. मैक्सिमम 55 lakhs domestic, median is 27.6 and mean is 27.54 of total 364 people का data. So 364 people average they've got 27.54 lakhs. This is the maximum earning potential. That's not your actual salary. मतलब इतना तुम कमा सकते हो. Fine. See how to explain that in a simple way. Let's take example of a retail store. किराने की दुकान. किराने की दुकान अपने एम्प्लॉय को क्या कहता है कि तुम्हारी सैलरी 10,000 पर मंथ है. बट इफ़ यू गेट मोर कस्टमर्स, इफ़ मोर कस्टमर कम इन, पर कस्टमर मैं तुम्हें 1 रुपया दूंगा. तो लेट्स एज्यूम कि हमारे यहाँ 10,000 और कस्टमर आते हैं पर मंथ, तो तुम्हें 10,000 और मिलेगा 1 रुपी पर कस्टमर. तो टोटल मैक्सिमम अर्निंग पोटेंशियल इज़ 20,000. उसमें से गारंटीड पार्ट इज़ 45 लाख. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स लुक एट दिस केस. या इतना तो तुम्हें मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. उसके अलावा तुम टोटल 55 तक लेके जा सकते हो. Are you getting the point? So rather than looking at that, so and this is where the main problem I have with all the B schools. Why you show the maximum earning potential? Yeah, why you are showing this number? Ideally, the numbers shown should be this one. Fine. So that's the best part of IIM Ahmedabad. They're giving us all the component. They're giving us the CTC as well. They're giving us the cash component as well in your salary. Okay. नाउ कम द सेकेंड पार्ट. इस पे ना लोग कहते हैं अरे ये तो CTC है, इन हैंड तो और कम होता है, इस पे तो गवर्नमेंट टैक्स भी काटेगी. अरे काटने दे टैक्स यार. इवन इफ यूर अर्निंग का 24 लाख का पैकेज, 25% टैक्स काट भी लिया, आपके हाथ में 18 to 20 लाख भी आया. 20 लाख कम है क्या भाई? टैक्स सबका कटेगा. इवन इफ यू आर अर्निंग अ पैकेज ऑफ 4 lakhs, गवर्नमेंट इज देयर गोइंग, यू आर गोइंग टू पे सम टैक्सेस लाइक प्रोफेशनल टैक्स, ELSS स्कीम में यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट समथिंग. ठीक है, 4 पे तो खैर नहीं है. इवन इफ अर्निंग अ पैकेज ऑफ 10 lakhs, देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ टैक्स. इवन इफ अर्निंग अ पैकेज ऑफ 80 lakhs, देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ टैक्स. सो टैक्स सबको कटेगा. Fine. The problem is the moment you earn more, the taxable income become more. Yeah. For example, after my MBA, मेरा जो दिमाग खराब हुआ था, I was expecting a salary of 1 lakh. मेरे हाथ में कितना आया था? 71,000 per month. 29,000 was cut as tax. TDS at source. They cut 29,000 पहले मंथ में. बड़ा दिमाग खराब, बड़ी आग लगी यार. Then I realized कि before my MBA, my salary was 21,000. And now I'm paying more tax than what I used to earn earlier before MBA. ये सोच के चलो थोड़ा खुश हुआ, बट टैक्स को सबको कटेगा यार. Every employee have to pay tax. So G strategy is simple in this case. Try to earn as much as CTC, ताकि टैक्स काटने के बाद भी आपका परसेंटेज ज़्यादा रहे, आपकी इनकम हाथ में ज़्यादा रहे. या नहीं सर मैं तो 10 लाख कमा के ठीक हूँ, क्योंकि 10 लाख में 2 लाख काटा जाता है या 3 लाख काट के मेरे हाथ में 7 लाख आएगा. देखा, परसेंटेज वाइज आई एम गेटिंग इन हैंड 70%. नॉर्मली 80% इज इन हैंड. ठीक है, 2 लाख काट लिया. 25 लाख कमाने वाला का देखो उधर 6 लाख काटा जाता है. अरे बाबा 6 लाख काट के भी हाथ में तो 19-20 आएगा ना. अब वो भी तो देखो. या सो दिस इज एवरेज सैलरी एट IIM Ahmedabad. ऑल द बेस्ट. इसमें से 22 lakhs is fixed yearly component and 2.5 lakhs is your one time cash payment. So total come out to be, average come out to be 24.5 lakhs. Maximum earning potential 27.6 lakhs. Then include your incentive and everything. All the best.